Let x and y be independent random variables where x is exponential with rate 2 and y is exponential with rate 3. Find the PDF of z equals x plus y. So let's start off with the probability density functions. We know it's going to be basically theta times e to negative theta x. And theta is the rate, so for us, theta is going to be 2 here, so we have 2e to negative 2x. And when the rate is 3, that's 3e to negative 3y. So those are the two probability density functions, and they're defined when both x and y are greater than or equal to 0. So now we want to find the PDF of z is equal to x plus y. For that, we're going to use a convolution. So we'll define f sub z of z equal the integral from negative infinity to infinity of f sub x of x times f sub y of z minus x dx. So we know that both of these are defined on the interval from 0 to infinity. We must have that x, it has to be between 0 and z. So for z greater than or equal to 0, we can look at this as the integral from 0 to z, and then 2e to negative 2x times 3e raised to negative 3 of times z minus x dx. And because this depends on x, the z could come outside. So that could be rewritten as 3e negative 3z times 3e positive 3x. So there's going to be, we don't need to multiply by 3. We already have the 3 out here. So then this 2 and 3 are going to multiply to give you 6. Then you have e to negative 3z coming outside. That's this one. And then we have e to negative 2x inside from over here, and then e to negative 3x over here. E to the 3x. So that's going to be e to the x dx. Okay, so that's what we have, this integral right here. 6e to negative 3z, integral 0 to z, e to the x dx. Now when I integrate e to the x, that's just e to the x, and then I have to plug in z, and then subtract and plug in 0. So that's e to the z minus e to the 0, which is e to z minus 1. And then we must multiply the outside, the 6e to negative 3z. And when we distribute, we get 6e to negative 2z minus 6e to negative 3z. So they both have a 6 in common. You can factor that out if you want. You have 6 times the quantity e to negative 2z minus e to negative 3z when z is greater than or equal to 0. And when z is less than 0, we'll just define it as 0. Because remember, we said that z has to be bigger than or equal to 0. And if you want, you can check that the integral is 1, which it is. So this will be the PDF of z equals x plus y.